Going down the Mississippi with his old guitar on my back. I'm going down the Mississippi with his old guitar on my back. Well, if I find me a good woman, Lord have mercy, I ain't never coming back. Heard a song about the crossroads, that bad boy named Leroy Brown. Heard a song about the crossroads, that bad boy named Leroy Brown. Old Leroy trying to make a deal. Lord have mercy, Lord, poor Leroy gone down, 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 oh, no. Going down the Mississippi with this old guitar on my back. Going down the Mississippi, yeah, with this old guitar on my back. Well, if I see old Leroy, Lord have mercy, I ain't never, never, never coming back.
Had to go work out of town. When I got back, I found you gone. And I can't help but wonder if I did all that I could do. There's so many things I felt inside I wish I'd said to you. Wish I could turn back the clock and change the past somehow. And now that you're gone, who's gonna be my hero now? Well, I spent my whole life searching for the glitter and the gold. A time or two you called me just to ask, when are you coming home? I replied before too long. Oh, how I wish that I'd been told that all the gold can't fill this emptiness now that you are gone. Wish I could turn back the clock, yeah, to change the past somehow. And now that you're gone, who's gonna be my hero now? And now that you're gone, who's gonna be my hero now?